Good morning. How are you children? You all are fine? Yes. Children, today I will take maths. Maths for LKG. Maths for LKG. Okay children? So before maths, we learn about sink and float. Yes children. Before maths, we learn about sink and float. Sink and float. Okay children? So children, sink. First is sink. So children, when we take any heavy object, put on the water, that object sink on the water. Yes children, sink. When we take any heavy object children, put on the water, that object is sink on the water. Okay children? So float. When we take any light object, put on the water, that object float on the water. So that is sink and float children. Understood? Sink. Heavy object put on the water, that object sink on the water. So float, when we take light object, so that object is floating on the water. Yes children. So today topic is sink and float. Yes children. So children, I will show some small experiment children. Ready? Yes. Yes children. See children here. So tub is there. So tub water, full of water children. See children. So first I will show sink children. So when we take any heavy object, put on the water, that object is sink on the water. So this is log children. So this is heavy object. So when we put on the water, so that heavy object sink on the water. See children. So sink on the water, top of the bottom. See children here, water, top of the bottom. So heavy object sink on the water. Heavy object sink on the water. So one more children. So see children. So this is also heavy object children. So when we take heavy object, so put on the water, so this heavy object sink on the water. See children. So this heavy object sink on the water. See children, sink in the water. These heavy objects children, lock and cup, sink in the water. See children, bottom of the water. See, heavy objects children sink in the water. So now children, float. Okay. So now see children, this is thermocol. So this is thermocol children. So this is very light. So when we take light object, put on the water. So put in the water. See children. So this thermocol float on the water. Why? Because this is very light object children. So that's why is float on the water. So thermocol is very light object children. So that's why heavy light object floating on the water. So now children, whistle. So this is very light object children. So when we take light object, when we put in the water, so float on the water. So whistle is a very light object, children. See children, whistle and thermocol is very light objects. That's why he float on the water. Okay children, see. So lock is very heavy object, children. See, bottom of the water. So cup also heavy object, children. So cup also heavy object. So that's why cup and lock sink on the water. Ready children? Yes. So next is thermocol and whistle. So this is light objects, children. So floating on the water. See children, ice cream stick is there. So this is also very light object, children. So when they put in the water, so ice cream is float on the water. So this is light objects, children. Yes children, understood children this experiment? You also do with your parents, children, this experiment. Understood children? Sink and float. Okay children, bye, take care.